Hello my friends, I'm Majid Say and we are teaching jewelry gold design for you. In this lesson we are teaching gold ring, a heart gold ring for you my friends, and show to you how to drawing the surfaces and flow along the surface. Make a gold ring like a heart in a top of. Okay, we are design it. I designed it for fasting teaching. Yeah, I designed this part of a goal link, this curve. From this picture, I put this picture, insert this picture, and drawing this curve. Okay, you see this, and then we are show on these control points, and we are up and down this control point to have a different situations and different surface situation. Okay, part of down, part of up, and we have this shape. Okay, and then in here we are drawing this size ring and extruding that size ring in this form. We have this. Okay, and going to surface and then smash labels on to smash this surface, golden surface, and then we are moving and regulating this designed object to our gold ring. Measuring this object. Okay, putting on a smashed surface to flow line on a gold ring, on this base ring. And now we are choosing this part of the gold ring and find the center to rotating, but rotating for this project object is not good. We must should be mirror this part. Okay, we are changing the position and then mirroring, and from the center of this smashed surface is better than rotating. In here we should be mirroring, not rotating. Okay, then choosing all, and then yeah, going to a perspective view, and yeah, take a look, real look. Okay, and here we are drawing the arm of this ring. Okay, we chose a planar surface to make a surface for this arm, and then change the position. And we must go upper these shapes, make a better view for our gold ring. Okay, our arm in a downer distance must be 1.2 millimeter, and when attaching on a top center of the gold ring is about 2 millimeter is I think is enough, 2 or 2.5. Okay, we are upper this attaching point, and draw a curve to drawing this arm better in a line. Okay, we extract the curve of this shape and extracting the boarding of this shape, boarding curve of this shape to make a wall for this sculpting. This job is better for our design, our view of the design is very well when I do that. Make a wall is better view. Are going to professional level when we are drawing this wall. Okay, we extracting this curve, cutting and fixing to our recording, and then going to surface and then extruding these curves and then cutting with the smashed planer surface of golding. Okay, and we do for other side, we do that, we do look like this. We drawing the boarding curves for other side of this golding, and when we drawing the border curve, we going to surface and in a first floor clicking on a extrude surface and then extruding this curve to surface in a down and then cutting with the smashed planar surface, smashed planar gold ring surface. Yeah, we making this border joining. When you holding the Control J on a keyboard, you must, for joining the curves, you can holding the Control and J, and we are cutting the surfaces, the unnecessary surfaces with the smashed planar surface as well for this golding. Okay, nice looking. And then we are extruding this arm of the golding. Yeah, going to solid and extrude the surface, extrude the solid one. Okay, and then we drawing a box for cutting this solid, drawing box, and then choosing this arm of the golding, and then boolean difference, going to solid and click on the boolean difference, then click on this box, and okay, we have cut the arm, and then you can go to the solid second floor and choose the shell icon and type for example 0.4 thickness, and then show this arms. Okay, and then mirroring this arm from the center of this smashed surface. and we offsetting these walls. Yeah, offsetting, going to uh, surfaces, and second floor and offset surface, solid on command bar, and then distance is 0.4 millimeter, and then choosing the all and go to the transfer and use the flow line surface. Yeah, clicking on a base smashed surface and then target this. Yeah, and then flow line this surface. Yeah, we have a nice gold ring. In the end, you must flow line the surface. If you have a problem with the flow line surface, contact us in Telegram, WhatsApp, or comments in this the in the comments. It's nice looking. It seems be, and you can feel it the edge of the gold ring, arm of gold ring. If you want, you can feel it that. Thanks for your watching, my friends. If you have any problem for uh, this video or other videos or other problems, you can contact us in YouTube, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Thank you.